Hey, long time no see. How you doing? You want to shake hands? No, let me sanitize you first. Now you look safe. Let's begin.
Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Hope you geeks and nuts are doing absolutely fantastic. This world is under a lockdown and it is really frustrating sitting in a room doing nothing and just waiting for a virus to disappear, which we cannot see with our naked eyes. But I had a better plan. So I cannot go out and fly my drone because virus has taken over the world and everyone is advised to stay inside. But that doesn't explain why I'm wearing a fancy suit inside my room under a lockdown. But I'm going to tell you why, because that is a weekend project. I've been working on something which I wanted to show you. So this is a small project which I completed in a weekend. So if you cannot see, there is a series of LEDs right here. So let me turn it right for you and show you how that all looks. So if you cannot see, just let me turn down the lights and show you how that looks. So here you go. You can do in a couple of hours. So that's what we're going to talk about in this video. So this is a small project I completed in a couple of hours. So basically what happening here is it's a couple of LEDs here and it has been sewn using a conductive thread and needles, of course. And here is the battery pack which is carrying coin cell battery and a small button here. So that is a small project which you can do and it's really simple to do. No programming required, no soldering required. Just some stitching if you know how to do that using thread and needle, and it's really cheap to make and you can make your own, and you don't need to put it on a cord like I did. You can put it anywhere you want, in your bags, in your shoes, whatsoever. So I have decided to write a blog because that's a really neat thing to do. You can follow the blog. I'm gonna link everything down below, including what's required to build this one. So that was all for today's video. I wanted to quickly share what you can do staying at your home under a lockdown for a quick couple of hours and keep you busy. So that's the wise thing to do. Be educated, educate others, don't go outside home and just stay inside. Do a social lockdown for some times because that's what the world really needs right now. So on this note, I'm gonna see you in the next one. Okay, quick behind the scene because you made it this far. That's how I was shooting this video. No one care what you are wearing if it's not in the frame. See ya next time.